Hi guys, welcome back to Patro versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we'll be learning how to draw a factual tree with Python's turtle graphics. But before that, we'll be checking the packages pre-installed in my system. So the first command that I'm going to execute in command prompt is pip list, where you can see all the packages with the versions so I can give a look about what package is what version and update it accordingly. So you can take a look onto your packages. If not installed, please do install it. You can just Google how to install and there will be a command for that to execute in command prompt. Another command to check for all these is pip freeze, which gives a similar output where packages with the version will be mentioned. So let's get started with the coding part of the program, starting with importing Turtle. So this line imports Turtle module, which is popular way to introduce programming to beginners. It provides a simple drawing interface using Turtle graphics. Next, we have a function called draw fractal tree. So let us go line by line. So firstly, we have def draw factorial tree with branch length and t. This defines a function named draw factorial tree that takes two parameters, which is the branch tree, which is the length of each branch of a tree, and t, which is the turtle object that does the drawing. And we have an if loop. If branch length is greater than 10, this conditional statement that acts as the base case for the recursion. If the branch length is 10 or less, the function will stop calling itself, preventing the infinite recursion. And we have t dot forward branch length moves the turtle forward by the amount specified in the branch length. And we have t dot right 20. This rotates the turtle in a direction of 20 degrees to the right. And we have draw factorial tree branch length minus 15 comma 3. This is recursive calls draw factorial tree to draw the right substring. The branch length for this recursive call is reduced by 15 minutes each time when it's repeated. And we have t dot left 40. This rotates the turtle in 40 degrees to the left and 20 degrees to get back from the original direction and 20 degrees to turn more, added 20 degrees. And then we have draw factorial tree branch length minus 15 comma t. Again, recursive calls the draw factorial tree to draw the left subtree, also including the branch length of 15 units. And we have t dot right. This rotates the turtle direction with 20 degrees to the right to return to the original heading after the two recursive calls. And we have t dot background branch length. This moves the turtle backward to the length of the current branch, returning to the starting point of the current branch. Let's move on to the next function, which is called the main function. So firstly, it is df main. This defines a main function which sets up the environment and starts the drawing process. And we have screen is equal to turtle dot screen. This creates a new screen object from the title module, which will display the turtle and its drawings. And we have screen dot setup width 1000 and height 500. This sets up the dimension of the turtle graphic window to 1000 pixels in width and 500 pixels in height. And we have screen.bg color black. This sets the background color of the turtle graphics window to black. And we have t is equal to turtle.turtle. This creates a new turtle object which will be used to draw on the screen. And we have t dot speed of 5. This sets the speed of the turtle's movement. The speed is set to 5, which is fast but not the fastest. The turtle speeds can be set from the 1, which is the slowest, to 10 to the fastest, or 0 if no animation is required. And later we have p dot color green. This sets the color of the turtle's pen to green. And we have p left of 90. This rotates the turtle 90 degrees to the left to the point it upwards. This sets the initial direction to the vertical, resembling the tree trunk. And we have draw fractal 300, 3. This calls the draw fractal tree function, which an initial branch of length 100 and the turtle t to the start drawing the fractal tree. And then we have screen dot main loop. This is enters the loop that waits for events such as key presses or mouse clicks, keeping the window open until the user closes it. Next, we have a execution loop to execute the entire program, which is if name is equal to main. This is like main function is called only when the script is run directly. This line checks if the script is the main program being executed, and if so, it calls the main function. Now let's see how to execute the program. So usually I'm just opening the command prompt from the where the project has been saved and Python space file name dot py, and you can see the line has been started. You can just increase the window size to see the tree. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.